Man, I am freezing right now. Let's start this. There we go. Anywho, we about to go to another meet. Oh man, it's a Paul Walker meet down in Folsom, California. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. See how good it's gonna be. Hopefully, it's a lot of people because Folsom has some pretty nice rides out there. So we're about to go ahead and start going over there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what Folsom is all about when it comes to their car community. I was gonna take the motorcycle, but it is already pretty dark, and I don't like riding in the dark. Hell no. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, dude, my car was doing the same shit. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I saw him park away from everyone. I was like, I know exactly why he's parking there, and I know why he's parking between the lines. They're on top of the line. I would be pissed if someone parked right next to me too.
I honestly thought that was a pretty cool meet. A lot of nice cars. It wasn't a lot of people like usual, not a lot of cars like usual. I expected more, honestly, but there was pretty nice cars, I'm not gonna lie. So I did take a couple photos, and if y'all want to go ahead and see those photos, I mean, the cars, you guys already saw them in the video, but if you want to see the photos that I took out there, you can go ahead and look at the Instagram page I got for this video. I'll go ahead and link it down below just because it's still brand new, so it doesn't have a lot of traffic going through it at the moment. So I don't even know it from the top of my head, but I'll go ahead and add the link down below. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit that thumbs up button or thumbs down, you know, give your public opinion, you know, it's always fair to be honest. And as always, you know, if you guys want to continue seeing more of this, you know, help the channel grow a little bit. Honestly, every time I get a subscriber, I feel like I'm getting up there and up there, and I'm like, ooh, I got another one, you know. So I do appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button. You know, it makes me feel good about making these videos. So as long as we keep it up, I'll keep it up as well. You know, I'll try giving a little bit more content every other day, you know, because I can't come to these meets all the time. So like this one was 40 minutes from my house, but it's all good. You know, I actually like being out in this area in Folsom compared to North Sacramento, so I actually like it out here. I don't know if this time I'm going to go get a drink, but I know for a fact I'm heading home because it's already 9 o'clock, and yeah, there's time to go night-night.